almost done. Clean up, everyone let's play. Put the toys back where they stay. Big and small, near and far. Shiny room, hooray! Hooray! Blocks go in the big blue box. Books stand nice and tall. Cars line up upon the shelf. There's a place for all. Puzzles fit inside their case. Crayons in the tray. Teddy gets a cozy seat, ready for the day. Clean up, sing along with me. Working as a happy team. Smile and laugh, clap your hands. What a lovely, tidy scene. Sweep the floor, wipe the table, make it sparkle bright. Everything is neat and clean. What a happy sight! Helping hands are kind and strong, working side by side. When we clean together, friends, we all feel full of pride. Clean up, everyone can do. Little jobs are fun for you. 1, 2, 3, look around. What a magic room, brand new. Hip, hip, hooray, we did our part. A tidy room and a happy heart. See you next time, bye bye friends. Our cleaning song never ends.
Want more fun adventures? Keep watching, Little Explorer. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!